The last-minute rush, thriving under pressure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and highly relatable topic that many of us have experienced at one point or another. The last-minute rush. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to manage daily tasks, understanding this concept can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get started and uncover what it really means to be in a last-minute rush and how it impacts our work and studies. The phrase, last-minute rush, refers to the sudden flurry of activity and effort to complete tasks or meet deadlines just before the time is up. It's that heart-pounding period when you're racing against the clock, trying to finish everything that needs to be done. This can happen for various reasons, such as procrastination, underestimating the amount of work required, or unexpected delays. The key characteristic of a last-minute rush is the intense focus and productivity that often comes with the realization that time is running out. There are several reasons why someone might find themselves in a last-minute rush. For some, it's the thrill of the deadline that drives them to procrastinate until the last possible moment. For others, it's a miscalculation of how long tasks will take. Interestingly, a last-minute rush can also be a result of perfectionism. Waiting until the last minute can be a way to avoid dealing with the anxiety of not being able to achieve perfection. Understanding why you fall into these patterns can be the first step towards managing your time more effectively. Believe it or not, a last-minute rush isn't all bad. Let's look at the advantages and disadvantages. Pros: increased focus and efficiency. The pressure of a looming deadline can sharpen your focus, making you more productive. Creativity boost. Some people find that they're most creative under pressure, coming up with solutions they wouldn't have thought of otherwise. Cons: stress and anxiety. The rush can be incredibly stressful, affecting your mental and physical health. Quality may suffer. When you're rushing, there's less time to review or refine your work, which can lead to mistakes or lower quality. Burnout. Regularly relying on last-minute rushes can lead to burnout and decreased overall productivity. If you find yourself constantly caught in a last-minute rush, here are some tips to help manage your time better. Prioritize tasks. Understand what's urgent and important, and tackle those tasks first. Break tasks into smaller steps. This makes the work seem more manageable and less overwhelming. Set earlier deadlines for yourself. Trick your brain into starting earlier by setting your own deadlines ahead of the actual ones. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance or delegate tasks to others if possible. Reflect on your work habits. Understand why you procrastinate and work on changing those habits. The last-minute rush is a common experience, but it's not the most efficient or healthiest way to accomplish tasks. By understanding the reasons behind it and implementing strategies to manage your time better, you can minimize the stress and anxiety that comes with rushing to meet deadlines. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights into managing the last-minute rush. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and striving for a balance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.